Alright, here we have a tub spout. The diverter is not working. When you pull up for it to be shower only, it is still coming out of the spout. Very common problem. Quite annoying, but pretty common, and I'm going to show you how to get this fixed today. Going to use a large wrench, or if you could twist it off by hand, great. I knew this one was getting replaced, so I went ahead and used a wrench. I'm going to twist this off. And there's the diverter part. And there, as you can see, this part is definitely used, and it is time to be replaced. There's the O-ring in there. That part fell off. A little black O-ring in there, and these things are relatively cheap to replace, so you know, I highly suggest just replacing these. They're relatively cheap and easy to do. You're gonna want to get a pipe cutter, relatively cheap. This tool, you can get them at Home Depot or anywhere else. I had a few laying around my house. You want to, you know, the tool's pretty straightforward to use. You turn it tighter and you twist the pipe cutter. Keep on turning it, getting it tighter, and keep on twisting it. Comes right off. You want to cut the pipe about inch to inch and a half, and you want to throw the new diverter on there. Whole spout and the diverter is in there. Pretty easy. It comes with instructions. You just want to pop it on, and it should work well for you. This one works great, no issues. Again, there's instructions. Pretty straightforward to put on and install. There's a screw underneath here with an Allen wrench. Make sure that's nice and tight. And you're going to want to give it a test. Test it out a few different times. This one's working well. And no issues here. No leaks. And is overall, I'm satisfied with this. So, hopefully this helps. Please like and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. Thanks, guys.